Comparison of MetLife dental plans. MetLife offers a variety of dental insurance plans to cater to different needs and preferences. Below is a comparison of their primary offerings. 1. Preferred Provider Organization Plans. Overview provides flexibility to choose any licensed dentist, with cost savings when using in-network providers. Plan options. High PPO Plan. Annual deductible. $25 per person, maximum $75 per family. Annual maximum benefit, $2,000 per person. Preventive services, 100% coverage for in-network cleanings and exams. Basic services, 80% coverage for procedures like fillings. Major services, 50% coverage for services such as crowns. Orthodontia, available for children up to age 19. Medium PPO plan, annual deductible, $50 per person, maximum $150 per family. Annual maximum benefit, $1,500 per person. Preventive services, 100% coverage for in-network cleanings and exams. Basic services, 70% coverage for procedures like fillings. Major services, 50% coverage for services such as crowns. Orthodontia, not covered. Key features, access to a large network of participating dentists. No need to select a primary care dentist. Out-of-network coverage available, though at higher out-of-pocket costs. Second dental health maintenance organization plans. Overview, requires selection of a primary care dentist from the network. Services are covered only when provided by in-network dentists. Plan options, high DHMO. Plan, annual deductible, none. Annual maximum benefit, none. Preventive services, zero copayment for cleanings and exams. Basic services, fixed copayments, ABEG, $15 for fillings. Major services, fixed copayments, e.g. $350 for crowns. Orthodontia, available with specific copayments. Low DHMO plan, annual deductible, none. Annual maximum benefit, none. Preventive services, zero copayment for cleanings and exams. Basic services, fixed copayments, e.g. $25 for fillings. Major services, fixed copayments, e.g. $245 for crowns. Orthodontia, not covered. Key features, lower out-of-pocket costs with fixed copayments. No annual maximums or deductibles. Must use in-network providers. No coverage for out-of-network services. Choosing the right plan. PPO plans. Ideal for individuals seeking flexibility in choosing dentists and willing to pay higher premiums for broader coverage, including out-of-network options. DHMO plans. Suitable for those looking for lower premiums and fixed copayments, with the understanding that services must be obtained from in-network providers. Consider your dental care needs, budget, and preference for provider flexibility when selecting a plan. For more detailed information and to explore plan availability in your area, visit MetLife's official website. To see the best dental insurance plans available today, click on the link in the description below.